you push this button, which will give you 5 minutes to get out of there. Now, whatever you do, don't push this button, because that will set off the bomb immediately and we'll all be dead. Now, repeat back what I just said.
I am Groot.
Uh-huh.
I am Groot.
That's right.
I am Groot.
No! No, that's the button that will kill everyone. Try again.
I am Groot.
Mm-hmm.
I am Groot.
Uh-huh.
I am Groot.
No, that's exactly what you just said. How's that even possible? Which button is the button you're supposed to push? Point to it. No!
Hey, you're making him nervous!
Shut up and give me some tape. Does anybody have any tape out there? I want to put some tape over the death button.
I don't have any tape. Let me check. Yo, Yondu! Do you have any... Ow. Do you have any tape? Gamora! Do you have any tape? Tape! Oh, never mind. Drax! Do you have any tape? Yeah, Scott's tape would work. Then why did you ask me if Scott's tape would work if you don't have any? Nobody has any tape.
Not a single person has tape.
Nope.
Did you ask Nebula?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I asked Yondu and she was sitting right next to him.
I knew you were lying.
You have priceless batteries and an atomic bomb in your bag. If anybody's gonna have tape, it's you.
That's exactly my point. I have to do everything.
You are wasting a lot of time here.
We're all gonna die.
Ah, rear thrusters are out again. How long till the bomb goes off?
In the unlikely event the Groot doesn't kill us all, about 6 minutes.
Cracklin, we need the quadrant for an extraction. T-minus 5 minutes.
All right, Captain.
Somebody's got to be up top when Kraglin arrives. Drax, take Mantis. Ow, my nipples!